There's that copper pipe I dug up. You see, you just got it with the one tooth there. Broken. I turned a 3-hour job into a 7-hour job right away. And it cost like $200 probably. Probably more than that. So that kind of sucked, but anyways, we're all ready to go here as soon as Buddy gets home from wherever he's at. Oh, and the fell on left his goot boot collection in my friggin' rig there. I was wondering why I could smell like onion soup mix or something, right? But we found the culprit. What happened?
Oh, I did get them.
Yeah, I could smell like onion soup mix or like turnips or something in my truck. Is that somebody cooking turnips, or is that too much of this onion soup mix or something? No, it's just your shoes. I apologize.
My shoes?
Yeah.
Well,
salt wheat crisps. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
crisps.
Yeah. That's exactly what they smell like.
You ready? Up and down. Oh, frig yeah, boys. Check it out in Inwood. Doniker's cleaned out. You can walk by here now. It doesn't just friggin' make you just vomit. Hey? Just totally just like barf, just gurgle out of your neck. Pretty awesome. How you doing? You modifying dump trucks?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This seat's kind of peculiar because it takes up a whole, nobody's gonna sit there. Where are you gonna put your legs? Maybe an ambidextrous.
Balls, I guess, huh?
Maybe an ambidextrous could sit there. But yeah, so we're gonna do that seat delete because there's nowhere to put all my shit, and it pisses me off big time. Wasn't I pissed off a couple times?
Oh.
Trying to shift gears, the shifter's like ramming into.
The phone's falling on the floor or into my lap.
Yeah, it's like I got a custom center console or something. I apologize for that. Yeah. This hunk of junk. I'll stab this one in there. It's out of a friggin', I don't know, what's it out of that thing? Honda. Good enough for Inwood. It's got an elbow rest onto it and everything.
Instead of the cheap seats.
Friggin' custom, right?
But
yeah. Oh no. Oh, is the seatbelt fucking all caught up in the wreckage?
Of course it is.
Oh, for crying out. It's like all you're trying to do is earn like half a pack of darts, and you got to deal with all this bullshit every fucking day, right?
At least I feel like I've really earned it.
Oh yeah, for sure. When you're sucking back that dart, you're like, oh yeah, really get this up me. When you're hauling this out, try to haul a bunch of the fucking airlines with it too.
Oh yeah.
Will that go through there, or?
That's what
Oh, maybe.
Those are definitely my new fucking favorite.
Yeah, those were Rick's favorite too.
Well, yeah.
Eh?
Well, you only used them once.
Right.
I'm going to use the cut wires.
Right. Yeah. An idiot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wires on my fence.
Yeah,
goof.
Exactly.
Well, there was a lot of bum dander on that. Like, look at all the f***ing shitter dust. You know what I mean? Even adjusted the mirrors. Check that out.
Oh, nice.
Custom as frig.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
It's awesome. Can you buckle up for safety?
Should I buckle up for safety?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Safe as frig.
Oh, yeah.
Feel safe?
Always feel safe.
Couple self-tappers.
Huh?
Ooh, whole floor's moving over there. That's good.
Oh, yeah, for sure. That's good.
But yeah, look at all the room for activities now. All the activities.
Oh, I found a lighter too.
Oh, of course.
Right there.
Yeah, it's for cigarettes.
Uh-huh.
Right on, man. Oh, look at that. They're hauling Fred's old friggin' Campner away. Holy schnikowitz.
Uh-huh.
That old Chevy, I don't know. Doesn't look like it's got it Inwood. He's got the old Joe dog jammed under Relentless. Let's go laugh and point. Ah. Well, that's good. Chanel got the Gumshapinis. He needs a Commons. He needs 6 in a row, ready to tow, 8 in a vino gut, ready to sit down and pee. That's what that means. F*** him if they can't take a joke. Oh, he's going to give him a shove. This will be good. Careful. Careful. Holy snake of it. Oh, there he goes. Wow. Too bad they didn't have a Cummins turbo diesel. Hey? Holy shit. You need a truck and a tractor to push this thing. Thing's just struggling too with the tractor pushing. Look at that smoke coming out of it. Oh, what? It's a race. She gone. Tires look flat as fuck on one side. Oh, check this out. Car tire inflator. Well, it just so happens the tire to inflate. Hey, you know about them apples? Oh yeah, comes in a fancy set seal. It's like a battery one. What? Let's see if she works, boys. Just so happens we got a flat tire right here. Stopped at 40. Looks full. Scores. Right on, that'll be handy to have. Ooh, she's a little toasty. So that's friggin' the dirty old Yan 2, boys. It's just the dirty old Yan 2, no big deal. That type of thing. I'll try to put the link in the prescription. Will be handy, I suppose. Didn't know I was a plumber too, did you? What happened? I apologize. I apologize for any miscommunication through text. Well, this is fun. Even with the piece snapped right off the oil cooler, vice grips, and the friggin' great tool, she no come offy. So that's friggin' terrific. I mean, hopefully by the time you see this, it'll be done. But if you have any tips and trips, like, I mean, this is ridiculous. You know, $300 in lines, and now the friggin' oil cooler is just snapped right off. I don't know if you can take that out or not. It snapped right off, so that's good. And we're about to snap this one off. I thought, well, let's practice getting the line out because it's just not coming out. Got the Schmancy paint kit. And I started with these because I forgot I had that because I, you know, got so much shit. And then I was looking up the different tools on Amazon's there, and friggin' I was like, oh yeah, fuck, that looks familiar. I'm sure I got that, and I ended up finding it, but yeah, not same. Not same, so that's good. But yeah, doing a little bit of tinkering on the gremlin there. Doing a little tinkering. Not too bad. Holy shit. Yeah. There was danger over here. I sent it. Yeah. Good Lord. Oh yeah. Oh, he's even got the kitty off. Holy shit. Look at that. This felon, I don't know, he's pretty good. It's pretty good. Hopefully he doesn't, you know, now that the fence is all wide open, just freaking saunter off. That'd be terrible. It is 2,500 degrees fairwards in Inwood. Wow. Holy schnikovitz. Goodness gracious. Sweet Murgatroyd. Oh, we gotta clean this place up. We're out of hand here in Inwood.